Hey everyone, this is Ted, the owner of Trailer Valet, and today I'm going to be introducing to you a new product. It's our Wheel Dolly. So the Wheel Dolly helps you maneuver your trailer a lot easier, especially if you have a dual axle trailer. It's a complementary product to our 5X and XL and XL Pro. How it works is it lifts up one set of your axles, so these two axles aren't fighting against each other when you're trying to make those tight turns. See how easy it was for me to move our dual axle trailer inside our warehouse? So in another video, I'm going to be showing you the specs on this Wheel Dolly and the improvements that we made on the Wheel Dolly, including better bearings and better caster wheels to make it ideal for you.